A joint statement was released this morning informing the market of the proposed acquisition of InterOil's business by Oil Search. According to Oil Search Managing Director Peter Botten, the acquisition is aimed at creating and delivering value for shareholders.
The first one is that the boards of Oil Search and InterOil have agreed to potentially merge the two organisations. So Oil Search will effectively acquire, issue shares in Oil Search for the acquisition of the InterOil company.
Furthermore, Oil Search has also announced that it has entered into a memorandum of understanding with Total for a back-to-back farm-out of InterOil's interest in PRL 15, which will see 60% of InterOil's interest bought off by Total.
The second deal that we announced today is we've acquired, as I say, potentially InterOil, but we've also sold down then 60% of the interests in InterOil's licenses to Total, the French company, who already operate Elk Antelope. So effectively what that does is it provides Oil Search with substantial cash. Total will pay us an equivalent value for their share, 60% of InterOil. It bolsters our balance sheet. It aligns Oil Search and Total in a program of development for Elk Antelope and various ways in which Elk Antelope development and Papua LNG can cooperate with PNG LNG.
These developments by Oil Search come at a time when the industry is suffering from a downturn in global activity, which have resulted in low world oil prices.
So we think it's probably 3.5 months before this deal could be concluded. It is an agreed deal between the two boards of the companies, but it's up to the shareholders to decide whether this goes ahead or not. So it's about 3.5, maybe 3 months between now and when we can finalise this. Yeah, I've always thought we were a national champion. We're just a bigger champion now if this deal goes ahead. And it gives us, as I say, a very strong balance sheet, gives us a very strong set of assets, and it gives us a great platform and program to develop the next phase of PNG LNG, the next phase of Papua LNG, and to be very influential in that process.
Oil Search is confident that through this acquisition, it is demonstrating the potential of doing business in the oil, gas and energy sector in Papua New Guinea.
This deal delivers us the keys to really drive our next phase of growth, optimising our own interests in PNG LNG and Papua LNG. And we've done it at a good, fair price for everyone.